Yeah, there you go. See, that's what, there you go. Because then some people are coming together.
5, 6,
see, now we're in
7,
one group.
8.
See what I'm saying?
What time is
This is high school dance recital.
Okay, when you guys.
Oh, everybody wants to dance for High School Musical.
Okay, come on, come on. Let's go.
That's the teacher. 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 Everybody's having a Thai bow little convention.
Yeah, there you go. So when we're all together,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Now we'll do the, what is it again? The back one. No, so you guys can do that, whatever, okay? But we just go backwards, which is what, my steps are just simple, like 1.
Work
So
it.
you guys can clap, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then after 4, the 5 are like this. Okay, let's go to the back up. The back step. What's that? So when you guys are all together.
5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2. That looks familiar, that shirt. Okay, anyway. I know. That looks good though. Okay, 1, 2.
Rape.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then 1, 2. Just 1, 1, and 2.
Yeah, learn from the best.
1, 2, 3. Clap and 1, 2. Then it's gonna be 1. Opposite. There you go.
Get off the phone.
Okay.
No texting females at this
Come
time.
on, come on.